Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and today we are going to make a very simple but cute tulip wreath using an oval grapevine. This grapevine is from Joanns, and I have already pre-cut all of my tulips. I'm going to be using purples, whites, and yellows. You can find these tulips at Michael's. And then I'm also using this filler that I found at Michael's as well. It comes in a longer stem, but I just cut them in half, so we'll have more pieces to use. And I am going to use this really pretty floral purple ribbon from actual Sam's Club. I bought this ribbon last year, y'all, and have never used it. And now my days of hoarding ribbon is finally paying off. So we're gonna start. I'm going to dip the ends into glue. I have a Sure Bonder glue pot off camera. So I just dabble that in glue, and I'm just going to start sticking these greeneries, this one's a little long, into my oval wreath form. So what I always like to do is I just like to V and work up off of my grapevine. So we're going to start just like that, mimicking each other. And we're going to start working up our wreath and just dipping it in our hot glue and working our way up. I kind of like to do some on the outside and the inner, just so it gets nice and full. And just remember, this is just our filler, so we just want to add a little bit on both sides. When you're designing a floral piece, you always want to make sure that everything is pretty symmetrical if that's the vibe you're going for. So once again, I'm just dipping those ends in my hot glue pot, which I will link in the description. I'll link everything. I will link everything. My Michael's florals, my Sure Bonder, which is linked in my Amazon storefront. It is linked there. So we are just gluing. Oh, that one's kind of long too, huh? Gluing as we go, just a little glue. You don't have to do a lot. And then I just do like these little swirl techniques over my glue pot so the glue doesn't go everywhere, because we want to not burn ourselves, right? How's everyone doing tonight? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome in. Welcome, welcome. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put one, I might do two. I'm going to do two right there in the middle. Welcome, welcome. If you're new here, say hey. Even if you're not new, where are you from? Where are you watching this tutorial from? My name's Courtney with Southern Owls. You can find me, you can shop my wreaths at thesouthernowls.com. That's also where you can find all of my links, my Amazon, everything is right there. I have all my favorite stores listed there, with affiliate links. If I have a discount code, of course I'm going to share those with you. So now this is where the fun part begins, and we're going to start using these tulips, and we are just going to mimic this same pattern going up. So I like to do multiple colors in the tulips. I think 3 is really nice, but you can do whatever your heart desires. So in the same thing, I'm just going to start doing a little bit of a V pattern, walking up my wreath, kind of just spreading them out. Super, super pretty. Also, guys, I'm super excited to announce that I am teaching a in-person class May the 4th. May the 4th, I will be in Golden, Mississippi at TMI Gifts. And Lindsay, if you don't know my girl Lindsay with Tornation Creations, Go give her a follow. She's on she's on Facebook, she's on TikTok, but her and I teach a lot of classes together. So we are going to Golden, Mississippi to teach an event. So I'm super excited about that. So if you are in the Golden, Mississippi area, we would love to have you. Tickets are on sale at tmigifts.com. And I'll link all of this in the description of the video as well. We would be thrilled to have you, though. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're doing patriotic. We're doing a patriotic wreath and a mailbox swag. And if you're too far away and you want to take our virtual class, we have tickets available for that as well. For those tickets, they're $25, and you can purchase them on my website, thesouthernowls.com. So I would love to have you virtually or in person. I would love to meet y'all. Oh my gosh, it'd be so much fun. If you're doing the virtual class, we actually do have wreath kits too for purchase. So you can follow along as Lindsay and I teach you how to do a patriotic themed wreath and mailbox swag. And like I said, I will type out everything in the description of this video, so you won't miss out on that. Oh my gosh. It'd be so much fun to get to know y'all. So I hope you'll go and look into that. This poor guy. We'll just hide him like that. That poor guy. So see, I'm just kind of filling it in. Oh, it's looking good already. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about these tulips? Also, guys, if you haven't bought tulips from Michael's yet, go snag them because they are super on sale right now. I grabbed these for, I think it was $1. I think they were $1.50. So go snag up some tulips. We're going to put that white right there. Just kind of filling up any holes that we have. And put a purple in there. And I only want to go up so far. Actually, you know what? I want to put a purple right up here. That'll be pretty. I don't want to go up too far. Oh my goodness. There we go. I think we're going to mimic that on the other side. Put a purple at the top. Oh yeah, I like that. What do y'all think? Okay, I still want to put, I think, a purple. Well, I don't know. We got purple. Maybe right in there. That will balance it out. See, this is where the OCD kicks in. Who else is OCD? Matchy. Hold on, that's a little too long. We're just gonna clip that off. Oh, also, guys, I will tag my tools in the comments. My nippers that I have, they are listed. That's cute. Okay, so then we'll just kind of add in some more of these little guys. I believe I used 18 tulip bundles and 11 pieces of greenery. I'll put that in the comments. People always like to know exact numbers, and I do not mind giving out all of that good information. I don't mind. Also, my glue sticks that I use. Guys, I do not put glue beads in my glue pot. I just buy normal, I'm not gonna lie, I just buy normal glue sticks and cut them in half and put them in my glue pot. I do not buy the special pods or anything like that. I think this one needs to be right here. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. So super simple, super easy, little cute floral design. I'm actually teaching a class on this. It's just a fun beginner class. It's a birthday party that some friends hired me out to do here locally. So I am so excited to teach another in-person class here locally. So now we're going to finish off our wreath with a beautiful bow. So I'm going to grab a pipe cleaner. Hey guys, pipe cleaner. I'm going to push this back just a little bit. There we go. And I'm just doing one single ribbon. With some, like some 10-inch tails I think would be really nice. So we're going to do a 10-inch tail and 6-inch loops. No, let's go a little bit bigger. Let's do 7. Yeah. Okay, 7-inch loops, 10-inch tails, 7-inch loops. So you're going to measure out 14 inches, give it a pinch, bring your fingers together, and we're going to do that times 4. So we're going to do 4 7-inch loops, and then I am going to we're going to shrink down those loops 6.5 inches. We're going to bring those in the middle. And then I'm going to do my famous racetrack loop over the thumb, and I want it to be loopy. And I just pull it up to make sure that is about right. There we go. And then I am going to change hands, push that under, because I want to have some cascading tails on my pretty loopy bow. Okay, I think it's simple. I like that with just the 2 tails. I was like, maybe we'll add more, but I think we're good. So then we're going to grab our cable tie. These are 4-inch cable ties, and I'm just threading it right where I'm holding it, pulling it, not all the way tight. We want to thread our pipe cleaner in there. Now get it nice and tight. Cut the rest of that off. And we're going to dovetail our ends. Oh, that is backwards, isn't it? There we go. So we're going to fold that ribbon in half and cut up at an angle. You know, sometimes people hate on the Sam's Club ribbon, but it's really not a bad ribbon. Some of them are, of course, better than others, but they're really not bad. Okay, so I'm now going to add our bow. So I'm going to find right in the middle, and I'm going to go up through the top. And this is where the fun begins. So I'm going to make that really nice and tight, and look how much I have left over. So then I can use this as the door hanger, right? Isn't that awesome? And we can just, well, this isn't long enough, but you can hang that now up on your door. I'm going to hang it like that though, because my wreath board isn't quite long enough. And now we're just going to fluff out the loops. That turned out cute. What do y'all think? That is so fun. So fun. Super simple. Nice big loopy bow. And we got our beautiful tulips all along the bottom. I think that turned out really nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure that you are an official owlet on my website, www.thesouthernowls.com. I'm still a few away from doing my big giveaway. So once I reach 500 subscribers, I am going to do a free wreath giveaway, a showstopper wreath of choice, to one lucky winner. So hopefully it's you. So make sure that you go and subscribe. And make sure that you're following me on all the platforms. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and of course, over here on YouTube. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all soon. Night, everyone.